The parents of a teenager who died during a legal battle with the NHS have won their appeal over the decision to move her to palliative care. Sudiksha Thirumalesh had a rare mitochondrial disorder and wanted to raise money for experimental treatment for her condition. Well, a court ruled she didn't have the mental capacity to decide on her treatment, but her parents launched a posthumous appeal on her behalf. Here's our health correspondent, Michele Paduano.
She was 19, doing A-levels, looking forward to life, but with a genetic condition. In August 2022, she contracted pneumonia and COVID and was in intensive care at the Queen Elizabeth Hospital, Birmingham, needing ventilation and daily dialysis. By October, doctors wanted to start end-of-life care, but Sudiksha was determined to try to live.
More than a fighter, she's a warrior, I feel. So that's how I would put a battle at the ITU, because she held on to her life for very long, thinking that something beneficial is going to come to her. But even though there were routes where she could have went and gained treatment abroad, everything was denied to her.
Sadly, she died in September last year, days after a crushing court ruling that she was delusional about her chances of survival. Today, the family chose to visit her grave after that ruling was overturned. The Court of Appeals said it was wrong to ignore two psychiatrists who said she knew what she was doing.
I was actually happy about this judgment because it's creating a good thing. She set records for the other people, and it's going to make a major reforms in the Mental Act of 2015.
Lawyers acting for the family say the ruling has far-reaching consequences.
There will be a presumption in the future that you are capacitous, that if you disagree with your doctors and the way you're being cared for, or desire not to have a certain care, that you won't be deemed to be mentally incompetent just because you disagree with that. So it's a big victory.
University Hospital Birmingham said that a treatment abroad she wanted to try had a vanishingly small chance of success, but the family claim a court order preventing them from naming her stopped them from fundraising. University Hospital Birmingham said today's judgment clarified a difficult legal issue which hopefully would bring some closure to her family. Sudiksha's death was deeply upsetting for staff who cared for her for such a long time and who tried to give clear and compassionate care, treatment and advice during her time in intensive care. In the words of the appeal court judge, this remarkable young woman had capacity to make decisions in relation to her medical condition. Michele Paduano, BBC Midlands Today.